Today we will learn about parallel lines. So if I draw these two lines, you can see this distance is smaller, this distance is bigger. If this distance remains same, these type of lines are called parallel lines. So you can say lines between which distance remains same are called parallel lines. You have seen your railway tracks, they are running parallel to each other. So these are my parallel lines. So let's draw this. This line is intersecting these two lines. So these are two different points. So such a line is called transversal. So let's talk about now transversal. A line which intersects, these can be many lines which can be parallel, a line which intersects given number of lines at distinct points. At distinct points is called transversal. So this line, it is intersecting this line at this point and this line at this point. So distinct means different points. So if this line is intersecting other lines at different points, this one is called transversal. So if I name it as, let me name L. So L is transversal. And if I name it as M and N, the symbol we use is this. M is parallel to N. I have taken because distance between these two lines remains same throughout. So L will be my transversal, which is touching other two lines at different points. Now let's learn more about parallel lines. If I mark this angle, you can see this is my line and this angle is, if this is my transversal, this is on my right and this is on my left. Now look at this. On the second line, again I look for the angle which is on the right of the transversal and above the line. So this pair is called corresponding angle. So let me write 1 and 2. So angle 1 and angle 2. Let's see another pair. If I mark this as 3 and this as 4. Now they have the same position. 3 is below the line on the right side. 4 is below the line on the right side. So they have same position for these two parallel lines, or they can be, we'll further discuss about these angles and the parallel line conditions. So name I am just discussing now 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 again have same position. Similarly, if I write 5 and 6, 5 is on the left and 6 is on the left of the transversal and above the lines I have drawn. So name given to 5 and 6, they have similar position, and 7 and 8. So 7 and 8, these are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. I am repeating once again. You can see if a pair of line is given and it is being cut by another line. So this is called the transversal. And you can see the position of these angles. 1 and 2 above the line on the right. 3 and 4 below the line on the right. Similarly, they are on the left. 7 and 8 are below on the left side. So such pairs, they are called corresponding angles. 1 corresponds to 2. 3 will be having same position. So 3 corresponds to 4. So let's talk about more angles now. Now you can see this part is within these lines drawn. So this is called the interior part and this is called the exterior part. So one angle is on this side, another angle is on this side. So they are called alternate and within the line they are called interior angles. So angle 3, angle 6 and angle 7 and angle 2 are called alternate interior angles. Now let's see one. 1 is on this side and 8 is on this side and they are on the exterior part. So we will name them as angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 5 is on this side and 4 is on this side. So these are called alternate exterior angles. Now let's see this pair. 3 and 2, they are on the same side of transversal. So these are called co-interior angles and their sum is 180 if the lines are parallel. So we'll discuss again about this condition of parallel lines. So if these two angles are seen, 3 plus 2, they are called co-interior angles. Similarly 7 and 6, they can be called co-interior angles. Or you can say they are on the same side of transversal. Angle 2, angle 3 are angles on same side of transversal. They are co-interior